Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today we'll know everything about the repetitive content and the reuse content. And these are the reasons for the demonetization, and what you must have to do if you got demonetized for repetitive content and reuse content, and also what is avoid to do, what is not to do. I will talk about everything, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more helpful and exciting videos. And one more thing, there is some hidden policies by YouTube, so I will talk about those later, but you will have to keep patience and watch the video carefully. And so first thing first is for the reuse content. If you upload the videos that is not genuinely your, you uploaded a video that is actually belongs to someone, and you just stole the total theme or total video and you just upload it straightforwardly, and this will cause some damage. This will cause huge damage for your channel, and if they don't even give the copyright strike, or whether they give or not give the copyright strike, YouTube will take the actions for removing the monetization from your channel. You may be removed from YPP, YouTube Partner Program, and for that reason, and you can't be able to earn. So you must have to be care about the reuse content. You may stole someone content, but you actually have to do it smartly. You have to maintain some techniques or mechanics so that everything can be safe and balanced. And actually the main thing is, if you're making a video, and actually you have to focus on a topic, or focus some legit things which will value your, which will enrich the value of your videos, so that the copyright strike or the other issues like reuse content will not arise. And you will have to just remind that do not directly steal someone's content, and if you do it smartly, you can be able to handle the thing. And coming up next is the repetitive content. And if you use something like programmatically created, or the thing like if you use the voice of bot voice, those are not the real person's voice, then that will affect your channel, like you will lose your monetization. And if there are other issues, like if you just slideshow, if you just create a slideshow without any narrative, or without any vocal, or not the vocal, without any commentary, or without any legit comments, or not comments, legit voice, then the content will be as a repetitive content. And there are some other issues, like if you just upload anything mindless, or anything for no reason. If you must have to be some legit values in your videos, and without this you can't be able to keep monetization on. So you'll have to, whatever you do, just keep the things more solid and legit, then you are good to be in the monetization state. So if this happened to you, and if you got demonetized by repetitive or reuse content, then there will have only 50 days for you to collect your revenues. If you are monetized in 10th, not 10th, 13, within 13th of the month, probably you will receive the payments of the previous month. The past month, just you, for the past month, suppose you earned in January, and you are getting the January's payment in February, so February 13 you got demonetized, and probably you will get all the earnings of January in time in your AdSense. But on that occasion, if you want to earn the February's 13th, February 1 to February 13th earning, you must have to be reappeal or get monetization back within the 50 days time period. If you can't be able to get the monetization back within 50 days time period, the YouTube will refund the revenue earned within 13 days or whatever days you are on. So you can be able to get the you can't be able to get the revenue. So this is very sad for all of us. So if you can't be able to get the revenue, so keep that in mind. You must have to prepare your channel, in the monetization state within 50 days after you got demonetization. So yeah, hopefully this will work for you, I think, and all the tips. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button for more. I hope see you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.